Change the spark plugs on a Toyota Corolla. This is similar for many models. So first thing you're going to do is take off this engine cover. It's on there with 4 bushings. You'll just lift that off. Once you have that off, what you're going to do is there's 4 coils right here. So to change the spark plugs, simply all we're going to do is there's a tab here. You're going to push that down. My fingers are not strong enough to push those down. So you're going to push down up here with your thumb and then lightly just lift this up so you can slide it off. And I've got that loosened up. Once that's off, I'm going to use a 10mm socket, and we're just going to break that seal there. And then we'll just spin that off. And then we have a coil here, we'll lift that up, and that's taken the place of our spark plug cables or wires that used to run through the motor. Set that up here. When you go to remove these, what you're going to do is find that the long extension is actually too big, so you're actually going to have to use a few small ones. So you'll set that in there, put your other small extension on there, then get your socket in there to remove that, and then you can do that without removing that cowling. After you've taken that spark plug out, you'll put your new spark plug back in. It's good to use some dielectric grease on there as well. And then you're going to just reseat this coil and slide it back into place, and you'll use that bolt, and then you're just going to re-screw that back down, snug that up, and finish by clicking. The air filter is actually really simple to change. There's 2 tabs. There's a tab right here. We'll pull that down, and then if you see in the back, there is a tab